You're about to learn 6 practical ways to use ChatGPT to study smarter, not harder. Stay with me, and you'll get exact prompts, examples, and a simple step-by-step routine you can copy right now. Hey, welcome back. This is a straight-to-the-point guide for students who want to use ChatGPT to level up studying. No fluff, no fancy edits. Just useful study tools you can use tonight. Let's jump in. Section 1. Making notes. Why it matters. Good notes equals less panic later. ChatGPT can turn messy classroom text into clear, exam-ready notes. How to use it. 1. Paste your lecture text or textbook paragraph. 2. Ask ChatGPT to make a condensed, exam-style note with headings, bullet points, and examples. Example prompt. Copy and paste. Take the following text and make concise study notes for an AP/GCSE level student. Use clear headings, 3 to 5 bullet points per heading, 1 short example, and 1 quick memory trick. Text. Paste your paragraph here. What you get. Short headings you can put into a flashcard. 1-sentence summaries for last-minute review. A memory trick you'll actually remember. Quick tip. Ask for output in 3 levels. Short summary, 1 line, bullet notes, and 1-sentence explanation for flashcards. Section 2. Study quiz. Self-testing. Why it matters. Retrieval beats rereading. Quizzing helps memory. How to use it. 1. Ask ChatGPT to generate questions from your notes. 2. Prefer mixed formats. Short answer, multiple choice, and 1. Explain like I'm 5 question. Example prompt. Create a 10-question quiz from these notes. Include 4 multiple choice, 4 short answer, and 2 explanation, ELI5 questions. Show answers separately, and label which questions are hard or easy. How to run it. Copy the questions into a document or Quizlet. Do the quiz, then check answers. Rerun the quiz with only the questions you missed. Section 3. Time management/schedule. Why it matters. The best study plan is the one you'll follow. How to use it. 1. Tell ChatGPT your available hours, exam date, and topics. 2. Ask for a realistic schedule with study blocks, short breaks, and a review slot. Example prompt. I have exams in 14 days. I can study 2 hours on weekdays and 4 hours on weekends. My subjects are biology, 30% priority, math, 40%, and English, 30%. Create a day-by-day study schedule with Pomodoro-style blocks, what to study each block, and 1 weekly review session. What you get. A doable plan you can copy into Google Calendar. Pomodoro blocks, 25 to 5 or 50 to 10 depending on your focus. Built-in review and practice tests. Quick tweak. Ask ChatGPT to export the schedule as a simple table so you can paste it into your planner. Section 4. Revision sheet, crash sheet. Why it matters. Revision sheets are your cheat summary for the last 48 hours. How to use it. 1. Give ChatGPT your notes or topic list. 2. Ask for a 1-page revision sheet with only the essentials, formulas, definitions, and 5 must-know examples. Example prompt. Create a 1-page revision sheet for topic. Include 5 key formulas, definitions, 3 worked examples, and 1 30-second summary at the top. How to use it. Print 1 copy and stick it on your desk. Use it in the final 48 hours before the test. Section 5. Explain any topic. Clear understanding. Why it matters. If you can teach it, you know it. How to use it. 1. Ask ChatGPT to explain the topic at different levels. ELI5, high school, and advanced. 2. Use the ELI5 to test basic intuition. Use the high school level for exam phrasing. Use advanced to deepen understanding. Example prompt. Explain topic in 3 ways. 1. Explain like I'm 5. 2. High school level with an example. 3. Advanced explanation with one practice problem and solution. How to use the output. Read ELI5 out loud. If you stumble, you need more practice. Use the high school version to write exam-style answers. Attempt the practice problem and check your steps. Section 6. Verify your answer. Fact-checking. Why it matters. ChatGPT helps, but verification prevents mistakes. How to use it. 1. Paste your answer. 2. Ask ChatGPT to check for factual errors, missing steps, and give a grade with corrections. Example prompt. I wrote this answer to question. Check it for accuracy, point out any missing steps or incorrect claims, and suggest a corrected final answer with sources I can check. Textbook style. My answer? Paste answer. What to look for in the feedback. Missing formula steps. Incorrect units or dates. Vague claims that need a citation. Pro tip. For high-stakes work, cross-check ChatGPT's feedback with your textbook or teacher. Bonus. Ready-to-copy prompts. Use these exact prompts when you study. 1. Notes maker. Summarize this into study notes with headings. 3 bullets, each, 1 example, and 1 memory trick. Text. Paste. 2. Quiz maker. Make a 10-question quiz. 4 multiple-choice questions, 4 short-answer questions, 2 explain like I'm 5 questions. Show answers separately and mark difficulty. 3. Revision sheet. 1-page revision sheet for topic. Include 5 key points, 3 examples, and a 30-second summary. How to practically use all 6 together. Simple routine. 1. Use NotesMaker after class. 2. Run QuizMaker 24 to 48 hours later. 3. Build a schedule with the time management prompt. 4. Make a revision sheet 1 week before exams. 5. Use the explain prompt when stuck on a topic. 6. Finally, verify answers after practice tests. If this helped, hit like. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more study hacks and AI prompts made for students in the US and UK. Drop a comment with the word prompts if you want me to paste a full prompt pack. And tell me, which subject should I make a ready-to-use prompt pack for next? Math, biology, history, or English? Friendly. That's it. A simple, repeatable system to use ChatGPT for real studying. Try one section this week and tell me how it went.